Well, as always, it's markets first, and after the bell, it was a day of highs and lows in many ways on Dalal Street, as the markets ended the day with slim losses after hitting a 2016 high earlier in the day today. So the Sensex by the end of the day closed up 36 points, while Nifty just about managed to keep its head above the 7,900 mark. The Bank Nifty outperformed though in trade today as it surged to about 2%, while the mid-caps were the laggards, falling more than 0.5% by the end of the day. The infra and the IT sector too incurred significant losses. So let's put this into perspective. Anuj Singhal joins in now to analyze the market action in delay. Anuj, a day of wild swings across the board, clearly.
Well, interesting day for markets today. The market opened gap up. The Nifty made a new 2016 high, but from the high point, the market slipped quite a bit because it's a resistance zone for the market, 7950 to 8,000. But the Bank Nifty was the real surprise packet today with the big 2% rally that we had in the Bank Nifty, led by ICICI Bank, which was up 6% in the morning. In fact, it was up 8% in first trade. The mid-cap index underperformed today. That was a bit of a worry for the bulls because even the advanced decline was more in favor of the declines today. But let's talk about the stocks that were higher today. ICICI Bank was one of the stocks of the day, up 6%. SBI and Bank of Baroda were other two big gainers. Among other nifty gainers, you had stocks like Coal India, Tata Motors and ONGC. But the gains were capped, or rather the market ended in the red on the Nifty because of three stocks: ITC, Larsen & Toubro and Infosys. And some other nifty losers included stocks like Wipro, Bharti, Infratel and Ultratech. In fact, Wipro was the biggest loser. Stock of the day today, though, was the new listing, Equitas. Huge gains, 30% gains on listing, ended with about 20-25% gains, which was really good going. Some mid-cap gainers included stocks like Amtech Auto, First Source and Canara Bank. On the losing side, we had stocks like Network 18, Intellect Design and Cyient post its numbers. So all in all, a decent day, but one where, the bulls got a bit of a hint that maybe at higher levels, there is a bit of a resistance somewhere around the 8,000 mark.
Well, wild swings across the board, clearly, Anuj, if you see the entire trajectory of the equity markets today and the bulls as well. But